You may have heard us talk about a ridge of high pressure, and it being the reason that we're going to be very warm over the next several days across the south. So what is it, and what does it mean for our forecast? Let's talk about it. It starts out in the Atlantic. We have a semi-permanent feature here, the Bermuda High, typically situated over Bermuda. That's how it gets its name, but it'll shift during the seasons. And if it ever amplifies or gets stronger, it can have a big influence on weather across North America and the southeast in particular, but it can alter our weather patterns really all across the country. Let's talk about an example of that we're going to see here this week. Troughing in the west, this ridge, there's your high pressure ridge, and in between there's nowhere to go. It's like traffic, right? This is the part of the highway that's closed. So these systems have nowhere to go but up and over. A lot of them stall out. You get really stormy weather in the middle of the country. That's probably what we're going to see here over the next couple of days as this high holds tough. So this is a look at our upper air pattern where you're seeing the oranges and the yellows. That's indicative of the ridge. Through the end of the week, we have the potential for record heat across the southeast as long as this hangs in place. It's not until over the weekend the ridge breaks down. Here's your big trough coming in. This will bring rain and storms to the southeast, and then it will flip the pattern. Now we've got troughing and much cooler air. As you can see, the presence of that high, that ridge, is no more, and that's going to lead to some much cooler temperatures. In fact, we're going to be chilly next week. Several mornings, or several spots on Tuesday morning, I should say, we'll have lows across Alabama in the 30s, and this is a look at the 8 to 14-day outlook taking us through mid-April, calling for perhaps below average temperatures. So the cool air not done quite yet. Don't put away everything to keep us warm. April can have some wacky weather. We'll keep a close eye on it moving forward.